Welcome to Reddy Technologies. What is Java? Java is a general purpose programming language. See, it is not a specific language for any area. General purpose programming language. For example, SQL, structured query language. It is for database management. HTML, hypertext markup language for web page design, web design. XML, extensible markup language, data transporting in the web. But Java is general purpose programming language. It is not for specific purpose. You can use Java for different purposes for developing web applications. Next, enterprise applications, game software, smart cards, embedded systems, scientific applications, etc. Next, Java first released in 1995 by Sun Microsystems. Later, in 2010, acquired by Oracle Corporation. Now, vendor or developer of Java software is Oracle Corporation. Next, Java is a programming language and a software platform. Java is programming language for developing software applications. All of you know that. Next, software platform. See, in computer environment, you can find two types of platforms. Hardware platform, software platform. Java provides software platform. For example, software platform is here it provides a runtime environment for running the Java software applications developed in Java. Suppose JMeter tool developed in Java technology. If you want to install and use JMeter software in your computer, you need to install Java first. Java runtime environment is required for running the JMeter software. See, any software application that developed in Java technology requires Java runtime environment. So, Java is used for developing software applications and also provides runtime environment for Java software applications that developed in Java technology. Next, Java has several features like simple programming language, portable, cross-platform, secured, object-oriented, robust, etc. Next, applications of Java. Fourth one, applications of Java, or you can say uses of Java, purposes of Java. See, already I told Java is a general purpose programming language. It can be used for developing various software applications. Java is used to develop desktop applications, computer desktop, or you can say standalone applications. Next, web applications. Next, enterprise applications like banking, insurance, ERP, e-commerce, etc. Next, scientific applications, mobile applications. Next, embedded systems. Next, game software, smart cards, big data technologies, etc. Thank you.